In the vast world of steel manufacturing, there exists a name that resonates with quality, innovation, and a commitment to excellence. The Single Group of Industries, established in 2000. This remarkable journey began with a vision to be a hallmark of excellence in the steel-making scenario of India. Today, our unwavering dedication has transformed us into a leading manufacturer in the steel-making industry. Single Group boasts of a product portfolio that mirrors our commitment to quality and innovation. Our facilities include sponge iron plant, induction furnace, rolling mill, and power plant, building a strong foundation with continuous growth, brick by brick. The story of Sri Sham Ispat Private Limited, a jewel within the Single Group, goes back to its inception in 2003, with a mission to meet the gap between supply and demand of sponge iron and steel.
साथ ही स्पंज आयरन से निकलने वाली गैसेस का उपयोग करके विद्युत उत्पादन कर विश्व कार्बन उत्सर्जन में क्रेडिट में सहयोग प्रदान किया जाता है। हमारे द्वारा BIS एवं ISO मानक के अनुसार गुणवत्ता उत्पादों का उत्पादन किया जाता है। इसके अलावा हमारी संस्थान में लगभग 1000 लोगों को रोजगार दिया गया है, जिसमें हमारी प्राथमिकता स्थानीय लोगों को देने की रही है।
We have etched our name in the annals of manufacturing. Sri Sham Ispat Private Limited has firmly established itself on a foundation of success, supported by several crucial pillars. These include our unwavering commitment to producing premium quality products, extensive use of advanced technology in the production process, track record of on-time product delivery, and instilling trust and reliability in our customers. Sri Sham Ispat Private Limited specializes in manufacturing coal-based sponge iron using 5 indigenously developed rotatory kilns with a capacity of 12 lakhs TPA, along with a waste heat recovery boiler with power generation capacity of 6 MW. The company has a coal-based power plant of 12 MW and induction furnaces with a capacity of 60,000 TPA. The company has also have rolling mill for production of re-rolled products with a capacity of 30,000 TPA. We take pride in introducing a diverse range of high-quality products. At the core, we offer high-quality sponge iron, a substitute of melting scrap in steel production, catering to the secondary steel sector. We also provide billets, the raw material for re-rolled products. Our focus on sustainability is exemplified by our power division, with waste heat recovery and fluidized bed combustion boilers generating 18 MW of power to support our operations. Additionally, our wire rods are meticulously manufactured to meet the highest standard in the industry, making us a trusted name in steel production and innovation.
प्रादेशिक स्तर पर सामाजिक गतिविधियां भी की जाती हैं तथा इस माध्यम से प्रतिवर्ष स्थानीय स्तर पर सहयोग किया जाता है। हमारे उद्योग की एक और विशेषता है, पर्यावरण प्रबंधन के साथ साथ यहाँ एक छोटा सा वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी भी बनाया गया है, जिसमें खरगोश, बतख आदि जीव स्वच्छंद रूप से विचरण करते हैं। कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन इज आवर प्राइम मोटिव। हम हमेशा उच्च गुणवत्ता उत्पाद, पर्यावरण संरक्षण एवं संतुलन के आधार पर कार्य करने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध हैं।
In the world of steel manufacturing, Sri Sham Ispat Private Limited stands as a symbol of excellence. From their roots in the Single Group to their current stature, their journey is a testament to the power of vision and the drive to achieve it. They are not just manufacturers, they are the architects of a brighter, stronger, and more resilient world.